So this is the Toshiba Satellite S55t-B5152, and I'm going to show you how to access the disk drive and the memory chip. First, let's flip it over where the battery is towards you. The first thing that needs to be done is to unscrew both of these screws, which is the screws for the battery. So then you slide the battery out. You will then need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws. So there you go, and the next thing you do is to pry it open. So pry it open. And there we go. So we've got 2 screws here. So here's the memory chip, and this is the disk drive. So we can actually remove this and put it back in. There you go. And to remove the drive, there are no screws. It's basically protected by a rubber. You just pull it out, and there you go. So what I'm going to do is to actually add an additional 4 GB memory module. There you go.